I've never lied, said be true. I swear I'll try. In the end, it's him and
this like review is Maliboo. You already probably watched 20 million other videos of these. Hey guys, it's Allison. So today I'm gonna do a Kylie Cosmetics review, and these are the 5 shades that I have from the matte lipstick and lip liners. And then I have a lip gloss. First of all, the reason why I got these and I had like all these shades was because it was like buy one get one free like at one point, and this was a while back. So I have 5 because one of them I gave to my sister, and then I have the gloss because it came with a free gloss because I think it came late, the package or something like that. If you want to know how I feel about these lip kits, then keep on watching. To be honest, I didn't try all of them, so yeah. And if you hear noise in the background, I am sorry. First one is Dolce K, and it's like this brownish shade, and like the colors are gonna come off like really off probably because like I don't know, this lighting is just horrible. I think everybody knows that's like one of the original ones, Love Bite, and it's kind of like a purplish brownish shade. Posie K, and this is a pink shade. Ginger, and it's a pink shade. And then Maliboo, and it's kind of like a nude. The gloss I have So Cute, and probably like everybody has this one, so yeah. And it's just a regular gloss shade. So first we're gonna try on Maliboo because it's the lightest shade of what I have. Then I'm gonna put on the lip liner. Lip liner is kind of pretty light, but it's actually a pretty nice shade. It's pretty light. I just really liked it on the website. It just washes me out. So this is Maliboo. This is Ginger, and this is the pinkish shade. And we are gonna try this one. This is a pretty one. This is Ginger. This shade is pretty on me. I like this one. Such a struggle, like such a struggle. I took off Ginger, and now my lips are like getting reddish. So next is Dolce K. So this is Dolce K. The next color that I'm going to put on is Posie K, and I never tried this one, so I'm excited to try this pink one because I barely wear pink, and my mom likes me to wear like bright colors, so. This is Posie K. I took as much off as I could from the Posie K because my lips are looking rough right now. But last one is Love Bite, and this is the purple vampish darkest shade. So that's how Love Bite looks like. It freaking looks like a, I mean, it's pretty, I'm not gonna lie, but me wearing this, maybe for Halloween, but like on a daily, I don't know. So next I am just gonna try on the gloss that I have, and it's so cute. It's kind of gloopy as I take it out. When I put it on, it's kind of like weird, you know? Like, I don't like this brush at all. Like, this looks like concealer right now. Nope. So my final thought on these is that, like, the smell, I don't really like them, but I mean, you can handle them after a while. The sugar is real. When you put on matte lipstick, it's like you have to make sure like your whole coat is even. That's why I don't wear them anymore. But I have this collection with me that I haven't tried some of them yet. But like, I love all the colors. Maliboo is pretty, but like for my skin tone, like it does not go good. For a darker complexion, it'll go good. Then Dolce K, I love. Posie K, I like. Ginger, Love Bite, all of them is amazing. Dolce K would be my favorite, one of the original ones. And So Cute, I don't know. As you saw, as I was applying it, it looked like concealer on my lips. I'm like light to medium skin tone, so I don't even know what happened. The other day I put it on top of lipstick and it kind of looked good. So if you want to get so cute, then I advise you not to put it alone. I would say to put it with a lipstick, because I don't even know what is wrong. And also, I don't like the brush. It's kind of like thick and like it's like goopy when you take it out. Like, I don't even know what's wrong. But yeah, that is all. As for the lip kits, I think you should get them if you really want them. You probably already have one or two in your collection by now. But yeah, I think that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below on any videos you want me to do. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.